Oh, shake, let's go! I'm so excited! Hi everyone, today we are going to make the Nerunerunerune jelly drink, which is back on sale at FamilyMart. Since it's popular enough to be released, I can't wait to try it. And this time we are adding the original Nerunerunerune candy as a topping to make this drink even more luxurious. Look at the bottle. It's partly clear so you can see what's inside. Alright, let's get started. When we open the lid, there are 2 buckets of powder inside, and on the inside of the lid, there's a cute illustration showing how to make it. Super easy to follow. First, we shake it about 10 times. Wow, this is fun! Like this maybe? Let's open it. It's a little tight. Oh, you can see the jiggly jelly now. Let's drink it with the included straw. It looks thick and smooth. いただきます。It has a soda flavor and tastes really good. Next, we will add the Nerunerunerune powder. This one's grape flavor. Oh, let's mix it in well. Look, it's fizzing and puffing up. You can even see the bubbles rising from the side of the bottle. This is so fun! Let's try it. The soda flavor changed into grape. It's just like fluffy, fizzy grape Nerunerune. Now, let's add the fizzy powder. It's so colorful and cute. I can't wait! Oh, let's mix it in and try again. Oh, nice! The extra fizz gives the drink a real kick. So good! I want to make it even better, so I will add some ice. A cold drink on a hot day? Perfect! Let's drop in about 3 ice cubes. Oh, it looks like it's separating a bit. But if you stir it, it's fine. No problem. Let's keep going. Now, it's time for the best part, adding the original Nerunerunerune on top. I chose the grape flavor to match the drink. Let's make it like usual. Nerunerunerune has been super popular in Japan for years, still going strong today. You can easily find it at supermarkets and convenience stores. I always end up buying one. Adding the water changes the color. Look at that! Isn't it beautiful? Then, add the next packet and mix, and it fluffs up a lot. Wow! So fluffy and full. This is the most fun part, isn't it? No matter how many times I make it, it's always fun. Alright, time to top it off. It's fluffy, thick, and creamy. By the way, FamilyMart has a deal where if you buy both the Nerunerunerune drink and the original Nerunerunerune together, you get a small discount. No reason not to get both, right? Looks great! Let's finish it off with some colorful candy toppings. Look at this! It's sparkly and colorful with even little star-shaped chips inside. So cute and exciting! I can't wait! Done! This is one fancy Nerunerunerune drink. Let's taste it. いただきます。Cold and refreshing with a grape soda flavor. It's amazing! The jelly is bouncy too. Of course, we will eat the Nerunerunerune on top too. It's fluffy and fizzy, and the crunchy candy on top adds a perfect texture. An amazing drink from top to bottom. We have lots of other Nerunerunerune arrangement recipes on this channel, so be sure to check them out too. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye bye!